So do you also wish to generate the transcriptions for your voice messages automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to leverage AI agents for automated voice message transcription with Pabbly. So here I receive a lot of voice messages and my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new audio file in my Google Drive, then automatically OpenAI should generate the transcript for the same. And after generating the transcript, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Drive with OpenAI and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically transcribe customer voice messages using AI agents with Pabbly. This will help you save time, stay organized and respond to messages faster. Alright, so as you all know that as someone who receive a lot of customer voice messages, whether from WhatsApp, phone calls or other apps, it can be hard to manually listen, understand and respond to each one quickly. So that's where using AI agents for automated voice messages transcription with Pabbly becomes really helpful. With this setup, every voice message gets automatically transcribed into text so I can read and manage the responses faster without missing any important details. This saves me time, keeps my communication organized and helps me respond to customers more efficiently. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Google Drive where I've created a folder with the name voice messages. So now here my objective is that when I'm going to upload a new voice note over here under this Google Drive folder, then automatically OpenAI should access the audio file and transcribe the text for the same, and after transcribing the text, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row over here. So here a file name, a file link and the transcription should be updated. Alright, so here to build this automation, I need to connect my Google Drive with my OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as leverage AI agents for automated voice message transcription. And now you have to giving a name to my workflow. It is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive as I'm uploading my new voice messages in my Google Drive. So Google Drive is a cloud storage service where you can store your files and access them from any device. So in my Google Drive trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new file in a specific folder. So that whenever a new file in a specific folder of my Google Drive is uploaded, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the folder or the subfolder. So if I click on this drop down menu, you can see all the folders or the subfolders name available over here. So here I've already shown you that I have my folder with the name voice messages. So I'm going to select my folder as voice messages. And now after selecting the folder, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to upload a new voice note file in my Google Drive under that specific folder to capture a response over here. So for that, let me all take you back to my Google Drive. Alright, so here I'm going to upload a new file, but here before uploading a new audio file, you need to perform a very important step, that is you need to make your folder shareable to anyone so that the files under this particular folder should be accessible to OpenAI through the link. Alright, so for that you need to click on this folder name, and from here you need to click on this share. Now here under this share you need to click on this share again, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you, and here you can see the general access. So here you can see the currently general access is restricted over here. So we are going to update the general access to anyone with the link so that anyone with the link will be able to access the folder. Alright, so now after updating the general access, I'm going to click on this done, and you are successfully done with this. Alright, so now after updating the general access, we are going to upload a new audio file under this specific folder. So I'm going to upload a new audio file over here. So this is the audio file. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully uploaded a new audio file over here with the name voice note 1. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the web view link, web content link, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 10 minutes. And here if you wish to set this trigger time, then you need to click on this three dots, and from here you need to select set trigger time, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you. So from here you can set the trigger time. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can select the minimum trigger time as every 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. So I'm going to select the minimum trigger time, and then I'm going to click on the save. And here with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Alright, so now after getting the file details through Google Drive, I want to give this file to OpenAI to generate a transcription for the same. So for that, I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as generate transcript because I want to generate the transcript through a audio file over here. Alright, so for that I'm going to use this action event, and now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new secret key by clicking on this create new secret key button, and here I'm going to give the name as transcription, and then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here's asking me to select the audio file URL. So here it says enter the audio file URL example this. So here instead of entering this audio file URL manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new file through a Google Drive, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the audio file URL, I'm going to map web content link of the audio file we have received in a Google Drive response. So I'm going to select that particular URL, and then here is asking me to select the model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the models available. So in this particular case, I'm going to select the model as Whisper only, and now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the transcription text for the particular voice note, that is this over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after generating the transcript, automatically I want to add this transcript in my Google Sheets over here in this row. Alright, so for that I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect by adding an action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that after generating the transcript, automatically that should be added in my Google Sheets. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name voice message transcription. So I'm going to select that spreadsheet. And after selecting my spreadsheet over here, I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1 moving forward. And then here is asking me to enter the file name, file link and the transcription. So basically these are the fields that I've added in my Google Sheets over here. So again here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. So here for the file name, I'm going to map the file name. So I'm going to search for the file name over here. So this is the file name received over here. So I'm going to map that. And here for the file link, I'm going to map the web content link that I've received in my Google Drive trigger response. So this is the web content link of the file. And here for the transcription, I'm going to map the transcription generated by OpenAI. So this is the transcription. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the file name. Here you can see the file link and the entire transcription generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Google Drive and our action as OpenAI and Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to upload a new file in our Google Drive under a specific folder, that means a new voice message in our Google Drive, then automatically that file is going to be sent to OpenAI to generate the transcript, and after generating the transcript, automatically the details of that file and the transcription is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to leverage AI agents for automated voice message transcription. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.